And I would swear and attest to anybody that I am a believer, and I was not when I first walked in this door. I've been lifting weights since I was 16 years of age. I'm 58, and I do have fat, but I have an enormous amount of muscle. I was a power lifter in my 20s, and I've been lifting my whole life. And numerous therapists that I've gone to throughout the years just cannot penetrate those muscles. They're not able to do it with their bare hands. These tools that Meryl has used on me are incredible because they can get into the tissue very deep and get into the areas that the human hand just cannot penetrate. There's just no way. I'm a very thick man. I have a lot of muscularity in my stomach and in my leg areas, and the tools that Meryl has used and has developed get into these areas like no one's ever been able to get into. All I can tell you is that the therapy that I've had here has been incredible. The tools that Meryl has designed and has developed are something that I've never ever experienced in my life. I've been going to therapists, massage therapists my entire life. I'm 58 years old. And I want to tell you that I feel so much better after just a few sessions. A matter of 6 sessions, and I feel like a new person. I could barely walk with this leg, and now I'm feeling terrific. And it's all due to this methodology. If you have an opportunity to learn how to use these tools that Meryl has developed and designed, it is something beyond the ordinary. This is definitely a miracle situation where the tools that Meryl uses are just absolutely phenomenal. And I would swear and attest to anybody that I am a believer, and I was not when I first walked in this door. I can tell you that my wife, for months upon months, because I am stubborn, said, "You've got to go to Meryl. You have to go and have therapy with Meryl." And I said, no. Finally, I gave in. I was limping so bad, and I was so handicapped that I was desperate. And I said, you know what, I'll try them. And after my first couple of sessions, in fact, even after my first session, I couldn't believe the difference. All I can tell you is my wife was right, I was wrong,